Hello beautiful people, in this video I will be showing you how to make this very lush and thick black soap shower gel. This one is for my liquid soap lovers, so sit back, relax, and let me show you how to make this using your African black soap. First, I have my African black soap here. I have shredded it to make it easier to work with. African black soap is very cleansing. It is great for the skin, and also African black soap is going to be our base to make the liquid soap. I will be using neem powder. Neem powder has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Neem powder is great for the skin, especially for those who have oily and acne prone skin. So I'll be adding it into the black soap. I'll also be using turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is great for skin brightening. It's great for hyperpigmentation. It also helps in giving the skin this very glowy and smooth look. So I'll be adding it into the black soap as well. And next I will be using cocoa powder. I'm using this for two reasons. Cocoa powder has anti-aging benefits. It can help with collagen production, and also I'll be using cocoa powder to give my black soap this brownish and chocolate looking color. Cocoa powder also helps to increase skin elasticity. I'll be using warm distilled water to melt the black soap and powders. Do not use extremely hot water or extremely cold water. Using extremely hot water will kill your black soap and your powder, so use warm water to hasten the melting process. So now I'll just make sure that the black soap is well seated in the warm distilled water. Also, if you don't have distilled water, you can use rose water, or you can boil and filter clean water. Do not use water straight from the tap. That's not okay. Now that everything is well seated in warm distilled water, I'm going to first off cover this up. Now that it's well covered, I'm going to leave it to sit and dissolve. The time that it will take to dissolve depends on the kind of black soap you're using. It can take 3 hours or less, or even more. After a few hours, as you can see, my soap is completely dissolved. Now I'm going to strain it because the black soap usually has shafts under it, so you need to strain to get rid of the shafts and also to get rid of the remnants of the powders that we added into the black soap. So strain it so that you can get a clear liquid. And this is what my liquid black soap looks like right now, but we are not done yet. So now we are going to add in the rest of our ingredients. First, I'm adding in lemon oil. Lemon oil is great for the skin, for brightening, for moisturizing, and all. You can add in any other oil that you feel that your skin loves. Next, I will be adding in aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is great for anti-aging, it's great for wrinkles, spots, and it's also moisturizing. I will drop the full recipe in the description box with all the ingredients and their accurate measurements. So now I'm going to mix in my oil and aloe vera gel. If you don't want to use aloe vera gel, you can leave it out. It's not compulsory. I have another liquid black soap recipe on my channel. I'll drop a link to that one in the description box, so check it out as well. You might like that even more than this, or you might like this more than the other. Just make the one that you love and you find easier. This is xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a thickener used in making cosmetic products. Xanthan gum is going to help us thicken up our black soap shower gel. You can use guar gum in place of this as well. So this is just going to help us make a thick black soap. So I'll add the xanthan gum in and carefully use my spoon to whisk it gradually. So you will notice that as you're whisking, it will become a little bit thicker and thicker and thicker. Also, it will begin to form lathers at the top of the black soap. Don't worry, that will go down later on, but just keep whipping and make sure that your thickener, your xanthan gum, does not form clumps inside the black soap. Once you're done mixing the gum into the black soap, then cover it up and allow it to sit for a few hours until the lather completely goes down. This is what my shower gel looks like after about 5 hours. The lather is completely gone, and then you can see that it is moderately thick. It's still going to get thicker after about 24 hours of leaving it, but as you can see, it's thick and I like this consistency. And now I will be adding in my preservative. I am using Jamal Plus preservative. This is not optional because this liquid black soap contains water, so you need a preservative. If not, this liquid black soap will not be able to stay longer than a few days. So you need a preservative to extend the shelf life so you can use it for a longer period of time. So now I will mix in the preservative so that it's well mixed with my black soap. This black soap shower gel is going to do a lot for your skin. It's going to help to cleanse the skin. It will help with collagen production because of the cocoa powder. It will help with brightening because of the lemon oil and turmeric powder. So this soap is an all-rounder. It's great. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned from this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, share this video, drop a comment, ask your questions. I will definitely give an answer. And also subscribe to my channel for more beautiful recipes like this, for more skincare tips, for more formulation tips and all that you want. Bye and see you in my next video.